for life after death, so we can meet again. My last words to a song to you, TJ. Day in and day out, I wake up to see the sun. Praying daily, but never blessed to see my brother. Who would have thought your life would end this way? Walk into bull and bush with some of your friends. You're the one that caught the bullet to the heart. Situations I'm facing are hard for me to believe. No more hugs, no more kisses, no more smiles. Really miss you. You left without a goodbye. So precious was your life. Hurts me deep inside that money cannot buy. What I need I cannot find in my heart and in my mind. The tears we cry to try and ease this pain. Took for granted that one day you would not be around to hear what I have to say. Yeah, things are not the same, but with God you found a place. Yeah, totally dilokile, khotla loka when we meet again. Before God on Judgment Day, I'll see you on Judgment Day. See you on Judgment Day.
I got a lot to tell you. Time goes by, I feel like I just lost you. Mama, you know how much I love ya. God damn it, I miss ya. Yep, I love ya. You say God took ya, sometimes I hate him, but he knows best, I've got to trust him. He got to know best, he took my mama away. Anger, I've got to push away. Dilokile, 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 totally dilokile, 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 totally. Mama, ungkhopole le mo robetseng teng, ungkhopole karabo o re gopole le mo robetseng teng, o re gopole Wendy re go gopotse le mo robetseng teng, re go gopotse Smangele re go gopotse le mo robetseng teng, Tebogo o go gopotse.